ambience was relaxing and exhilarating on the Caribbean Sea. The ocean breeze was breathtaking. Experience the thrill of clear water kayaking in Montego Bay while capturing stunning memories with a unique photo shoot. Sit back and relax on a transparent kayak as professional photographers use overhead drones to create unforgettable photos and videos of your adventure on this tropical island. Enjoy a private session with unlimited photos taken for you to choose from during your clear kayak tour. Select your favorite 12 photos and receive a 30-second personalized video with your choice of music. Photos and videos are delivered to your email within 24 to 48 hours after the experience. The photo shoot lasts around 30 minutes and is designed to make you feel comfortable in front of the camera.